Let's see the exercises for this 10th tutorial of the course operating system. Today we will write simulation programs for the scheduling algorithms that we have studied a while ago, that is for FCFS and SJF, and we will write simulation programs in C language in the Linux environment. The tasks are we have to write a C program to simulate CPU scheduling for FCFS, and the same thing for SJF, shortest job first and first come first serve. Let's see how will we do it. And before understanding that how will we do the tasks, first of all, let's have a quick revision of structures that you must have studied in any of your basic programming course in C++ or C. So first of all, ignore this whole thing. Don't consider this. First of all, just look at this thing. How do we declare a structure? What's the syntax? So what do you do is, first of all, you write the keyword. Okay, we are talking about C language here. In this tutorial, we are following C language. So we're talking about the syntax of C language. So first of all, you write the keyword struct, and then you write the name of the structure that you want to make. And right now, you want to make a structure for processes. So I have named my structure as process. And then you have curly braces, starting and the ending of curly braces, and semicolon at the end. Within these curly braces, you declare the members of the structure. And right now, we have 4 members. So how do you declare a member? You write the data type of the member, the name of that member, and then the semicolon. And then right now, we have 4 members: ID, service time, waiting time, and total time. And these are all those times that we discussed a while ago in the previous slides. Okay, let's see how do we declare a variable of structure. So for that, we write the keyword struct, and then we write the name of the process, the name of our structure, and then the name of our variable. For that, I have named it P1. So this is how you declare a single variable. And you write the keyword struct here if you are defining this variable somewhere after this semicolon. If you do that before it, you don't write this keyword struct. Okay, how do you declare an array of structure? You write the keyword struct, the name of your structure, and simply like you would write the declaration of any other array, like this. How do you access the member of any structure? You do it by writing the name of your variable here first. This is the name P1. You will write P1, then the dot operator, and then the name of your member. So the name of our member right now is ID. We want to access ID, so we will write ID here. If we wanted to access service time, we would have written service time. So P1 dot ID or P1 dot service time. That's how you access any member of structure. Now let's see it from the point of view of our task. We have 4 members. The first one is ID. We will take it from user, and this is just for the purpose of identifying any process, nothing else. It has no link to these three things below. Then we have service time, and we have studied in detail that what is service time. Service time is the execution time, the burst time, the time taken by any process to be executed, to do its work. That is service time. We will take the service time from user as well. And then the third number is waiting time. So what is waiting time? We have covered that in detail too. Waiting time is the time that a process has to wait for other processes, and obviously the waiting time of first process is always 0 because the first process never wait for any other process. So we will calculate the waiting time. We will calculate these 2 things, and these 2 things will be taken from user. These will be taken from user, and these 2 will be calculated. You have to excuse my writing here. Okay, the last member is total time. Total time, we covered that too. Total time is equals to the waiting time plus the service time. It is actually the total time spent by any process in the queue. And obviously the total time for first process will always be equal to its service time. Why? Because waiting time will become 0. So 0 plus service time equals to service time. That's why.